Hi there! In today's video we'll be showing you how to create the perfect cup of coffee using your French press. French presses were invented in France in mid-1800s, thus the name French press. But we as South Africans really know them as coffee plungers. Brewing the perfect cup of coffee using a French press is quite a simple and straightforward process. And if you can put a pot into a contraption and press a button, then this will be easy as pie. French press coffees tend to be smoother, creamier, and have much more texture than any other method of brewing coffee. The reason for this is because the coffee grounds are immersed in hot water while they're going through the brewing process. So let's create the perfect cup of coffee using your French press. Are you ready? Step 1. So first, you will want to put your coffee plunger or French press on a flat, even surface. Then you remove the plunger, which is this. Here you have a filter, and then obviously you will be pressing down on this. Step 2, add your coffee. So the general rule of thumb is to add 1 heaped tablespoon of coffee per 200 ml of water. But it depends on how strong you want your coffee. The great thing about making coffee, or anything else in the kitchen for that matter, is that you can customize the quantities as much as you want. But according to Andrew Hetzel, coffee industry consultant, a good ratio is 1 tablespoon per 200 ml of water. Step 3, add your water. Water that is too hot will give your coffee a bitter taste, and water that isn't hot enough means that you'll miss out on the creamy flavor of the coffee. So the best way to ensure that the water isn't too hot or too cold is to bring the water to a boil and then let it sit for 30 seconds. Place your coffee grounds in the bottom of the French press and fill with hot water. Remember, not boiling water. Next, set your timer to 4 minutes. Here at Shelfsquad, we've got this awesome La Cafetiere stirrer and timer. It's got a built-in timer, and then obviously you can stir your coffee using it. So you can switch it on, 4 minutes, and then we put in the coffee. You wait for 1 minute, let the coffee sit. Once the timer has hit 3 minutes, you just want to give your coffee a gentle stir. This allows the coffee beans to fully merge with the hot water to create the perfect creamy texture and taste. Once you've given it a stir, just wait for the 3 minutes to count down. Once the timer buzzes and the 4 minutes is over, you'd want to take out the coffee stirrer, put on the lid, and gently press down on the plunger all the way down. But be careful, if you add too much pressure, then the coffee might overflow. Once you've pressed down on the plunger, pour your coffee into your cup of choice. And enjoy.